Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check CPU processor name on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now there are two methods to check the CPU processor name on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now for the first method, just open the settings app. From here, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now once you have tapped on About Phone, just search the name of your smartphone on the browser, and from there you can find the processor and the CPU name. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open Play Store. Now from here, just search device info. Now from here, just download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now from here, once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, just scroll to the left and tap on CPU. Now as you can see, the CPU and the processor name of our smartphone is the MediaTek Helio G100. And this is how you can check the CPU and processor name on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.